This week on See Sarah Cook Stuff, we're house sitting!
Okay, I'm only gonna be here for a couple days. Let's see what she's got in the fridge. Nothing much. Eggs! Aha! Always a good way to start a dish, and she's got a full supply. And we've got some mushrooms. Yes, I love mushrooms. And in the crisper, Swiss chard. Haven't cooked with that in a while. And tomatoes. And oh, there's always some cheese at the bottom of the fridge. Larry always loves cheese. And an onion. Yes, can always improve a dish with an onion. But I think it's lacking something fresh and zingy. Let's go out to the garden. Basil! Lemon basil at that. This is a good addition to whatever I'm gonna make. So, we got basil, onions, mushrooms, cheese, tomatoes, and eggs. Eggs. What can I make? Oh, frittata! Yeah.
A frittata is always a great thing to make if you've got a lot of random things in your fridge and eggs, which you should always have in your fridge because they keep a long time and they're a good refrigerator staple. First thing you gotta do is you gotta get some eggs. I got 2 eggs here. That should be enough for 1 person. Just want to beat these eggs with a fork, nothing fancy. Now, I'm sure most recipes call for milk or cream as well as eggs, but the ingredients we're putting in here have a lot of moisture in them already, so I don't want a runny frittata, so I'm just leaving it dry eggs. A little salt and pepper. Set these aside. Now, the filling of your frittata, you can get creative and put like just about anything in it, really. I'm going to be using mostly red onion and mushroom today, as well as some chard. First, I'll prep the onion. You've seen me do it a zillion times. While I'm prepping my vegetables, I'm going to light my burner. It's a gas stove! I want one. I've got about half a tablespoon of oil in this pan, and I've put it to about medium-high-ish heat. Pan is warm. I'm going to put in my onions and my mushrooms. Salt. Give it a stir every once in a while you prep the rest of the veggies. Got some Swiss chard here. The red stuff is really fibrous and bitter, so don't bother with it. I just take off some green, roughly chop it. Greens are good for you. We also have some tops of some tomatoes that look like they're going to go bad soon. Actually, this one already has a little bit of mold on it. Let's use them. Too much mold. Never mind. This one's safe. Come with me and look at these mushrooms and onions. They've released a lot of moisture and they've taken on a slight brownish color. Let's add in our greens. Now you can add just about any kinds of herbs and spices that you like. I'm going to go for some red pepper flakes, if I can find them. Not very many left. And it's ready for the eggs. At this point, lower the heat to low. Tomatoes, right on top. Some basil that you harvested from your aunt's garden. And some hard cheese, or cheese, feta, mozzarella, cheddar, any kind you want. It's like an egg pizza. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes to heat through the tomatoes and melt the cheese and finish cooking the egg. And behold its melty, eggy, vegetable-y goodness. Time to serve it up. This is where you pray. Yeah, that worked. Bye.